Morning. Oh, it's so cold. It snowed today. Absolutely, it snowed. I mean, yeah, I'm in shock still. Oh, pop the door open. Some of you must have have a lot of snow. I mean, if you have, let me know. Where are you? Oh, in the UK. I'm sure there are other areas of the world that have lots of snow right now. Come and have a look. I mean, it's not snowing right now, and I really wished at the time I was walking Rosie, and I was thinking, oh, it'd be lovely to be at the allotment to see this snow. But it's, oh hello, someone's driving past. Just give it a minute. You might be turning round, to be fair. Let's just see. Yeah, he's turning round. Exiting the allotment. There's no one here. I think the builders that have borrowed the park. Forgot the microphone. What a wally. Big doofus. That's me. Right, back outside. I'm going to turn this off and on again so the file's not massive. See you in a bit. Start again. So, you didn't hear me last time because I went out with my microphone. Oh, the amount of times I do that. I need to put... Do you know what I should do? I definitely need to get one of those jars, the forgetfulness jar. And every time I forget something, put 50p in or something like that. I'm going to need to get a lot of 50p's, aren't I? Like go to the bank to get a bag full. Yeah, like the equivalent of the swearing jar, forgetful jar. Like I was saying, I was really glad that I did that to the garlic, although I have no idea whether or not it's I needed to, but I'm glad I did. And look at the ground. I mean, it's frozen solid, everything. Yeah. And it's actually not very sunny today, but hence the snow earlier. So what I was planning on doing is getting... so I took the plank out. In fact, here it is there. And I'm going to staple some of this stuff to it. Because one of you said about chicken wire. And yeah, that was such a good idea. And I did go online and look. This stuff is what I'm going to use instead. Because I went online to look. And oh my God, people on Facebook Marketplace, people want a lot of money for their old chicken wire. I mean, it's honestly 40 quid for a small pile. I mean, nothing, it's cheaper to buy it new. It's ridiculous. Or maybe it's because there's a lot of people around here. I mean, it's just sort of supply and demand. I don't know that there's plenty of people who are willing to pay the money. Crazy. Right, I'm going to have a look over. I really want to look underneath the cardboard, see what the ground is like underneath, especially given this frozenness. See, I'd already done this because of having been around here without the microphone. So you see that that's not frozen at all, which is really interesting, and it would make sense because cardboard is an insulating material. And actually, because I went down that rabbit hole of frozen ground. Thanks to you, Liz Hodge, which was a really good question, or suggestion. And I think a lot of people do believe that if you cover the ground with cardboard, it keeps it frozen for longer, but it doesn't because that's not frozen underneath. I mean, it didn't look frozen. It's certainly not like this. But either way, it doesn't really matter to me because I'm not going to be planting anything for quite a long time. I'm just going to be putting mulch and manure and all that kind of stuff on top, compost. But it did get me down, look. What was I going with this? Oh my God, it's completely escaped me. Oh, it'll come back. Let me think. Might take a while. Oh, where was I going with that? Look, that's lowered loads. That's really good. And that. Where was I going with that? Oh my brain. These flowers are still it's quite prolific, really. There'll be seeds coming on there, I think. Yeah, of course they are. Well, I still can't think what it was. What was it? no, sorry. I'm sorry. Just completely gone. Ah, well, what I did do is, I walked through the lovely boysenberry, and I just, yeah, look at the lid. This is ridiculous. I did kind of try and get the. This is when I realised I didn't have the mic. Just try and put it on a bit more. There's nothing in there, but there's netting, which I don't want animals to get caught in. So that's why the chair's there, to kind of weigh it down, because if it's windy it blows off. But that needs to be gone. Don't need that. Yeah. So this, I'm going to staple to that and then put it back in the pond. And in fact, that was the other idea I had, and I don't know whether that was what I was trying to think of. I doubt it, but this is a sort of effectively going to be a beach area. I hope you can see that. I'm even not looking at the right place. This bit here, I'm going to make that a bit bigger, push them a bit back, somewhere for birds to bath, somewhere safe, which could be in the water but not deep. But this will be and this will be deeper, definitely. And then I'm going to pat it sand, just do all the sand stuff. And we went on a pond liner voyage last night. Oh my god, there's a lot to it. Thickness, I never knew. 0.85 is the best thickness. There's thicker, but that's very expensive. I mean, and 0.75 is the thinner. Obviously the cheaper, but it means 0.85 will last. But we're talking, oh, how much was it? Well, it's nearing on £80 for pond liner for that size, for that. But if you want it to last, you know, yeah, it's quite shocking. I didn't quite have enough, so it's going to have to wait. But you know, we're in this situation. It's okay. It's freezing. I just have to wait. Maybe I'll get some Christmas money. Maybe I'll get it for Christmas. All right, I'm putting it down because we're going to be stapling this hedgehog ladder, or critters. Or trying to. I don't know, can you see? Oh, jeez, oh. Right, where's that plank? Oh, well, I'm going to have some coffee as well. And I brought pliers to cut it. Where are they? I hope I have anyway. Oh no! Oh yes. Oh, phew. Okay. Can you see? Yes, you can. Right. Staple gun. Such a useful tool in an allotment shed. Okay. Can you see? That's good. I hope this works. It should do, shouldn't it? I mean, oh dear. It's got to be better than it being a smooth surface. It's enough for their claws to get attached to. Good stuff. Right, obviously I've got to cut it and carry on that side, which is hence the pliers. haven't quite got it. Ah, that's better. Okay. Same. Bound to run out of staples in a minute. Oh, have I now? Oh. Can you even see? Yeah. Oh, no, I've still got some. Not many though. I've still got a box. I think I've got a box in the drawer. I think we'll go looking for some bricks as well to put at the bottom of the pond, just to fix this bit of wood into place. Oh, did I do that one? Perfect. Just trim it. Hey, that's good. Oh. Yeah, let's get that back in, and we'll go looking for. Oh, got something stuck to my foot. We'll go looking for some rocks just to put at the bottom. Rocks or bricks, more likely, because I don't think I've got any rocks. The question is, would that be enough? Oh, well, yeah, I don't know where I was. I'm going to take home the rosemary and the Taunton Dean because they're frozen solid. But hopefully that will survive. We'll find out in due course. Yeah, put them on the kitchen windowsill. Yeah, I mustn't forget that. I think maybe it will make a difference, you know. Oh, it's going to be short and sweet. And I don't know how long this cold weather is going to last, but apparently there's snow coming. You know, this is going to be out next week, so there's meant to be more snow coming. I don't know. I didn't expect today's snow, but it was very nice because it's. The thing about that kind of weather is, unless you're in a blizzard, admittedly, but because there's no wind, it's really you can really deal with it. Wind chill is another story, and you just want to be indoors. Who wants to be out when there's that freezing wind? Especially in easterly, which we get quite a lot. We do get that over on the east side of the country. Ugh. Oh, right. Well, let's go and have a little peek outside. Last peek. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Short and sweet. Yeah. This is lovely, though, isn't it? Really is. The hedgehog is going to be okay, hopefully. It's better than it was. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I've lost it. I've lost the will to live. No, I haven't really. Yeah, I'm going to go to work now, but I do need to stop at Lidl to get some supplies for. I can hear a plane. Can you believe it? For some sort of budget cooking makes over the weekend for next week. Yeah, so that'll be good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I'm going to leave you with an aeroplane and some lovely allotment views.